Let's go through where they have the movies, film location, whatever you want to call it. Not really a film location, it's just a location where people can film outdoors. Stop! My friend Tian with his wife catching that last bit of afternoon sun. Let's go, let's go. Such a pretty venue. I could have so many conferences and things here. Even the pond when it's full of water. A massive wall to our left. And there's accommodation. That's a place for parking. It's good security here. There's a bigger flow of constant money. Hello, my gents.
Hello.
Say how's it to the people.
Huh?
Say hello to the people.
Hello.
Don't run away.
How are you?
This is Matumi.
Yes.
And that's Bongani.
Hello. How you getting?